myself is Sanjana. So I am studying in Drama University. So we had a part of a team coming Alpha Academy to our college. So as we had two sessions, like 2 hours of session, and we not even got to know like how it went, and it was a mindful session for us. So as the sir, he had a very energetic boost up energy with him. So even we included with him, even we came up on stage, we addressed ourselves to the classes, and we had a lot of activities going on in the class. So as we come to the stage, we communicated, we we got a lot of information today. So I thank for the sir and as well as Alpha Tech Academy to coming with us, and thank you so much for us to teach a lot of things today.